Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use lesson shoes. First, take a moment to evaluate your current footwear routine. Do you always add thick insoles or wear multiple pairs of socks? Understanding your starting point is crucial. We're aiming to reduce unnecessary bulk and enhance your natural foot comfort. This approach can lead to a more streamlined and often healthier experience for your feet, saving you both space and potential discomfort. To optimize what's inside your shoes, start by examining your inserts. If you use thick orthotics, consider if a thinner, less intrusive option could provide adequate support. Similarly, evaluate your socks. Many people wear overly thick socks when a single, well-fitting pair made of a breathable material like merino wool or a synthetic blend would suffice. Proper shoe sizing, with about 1/2 inch of toe room, also naturally reduces the need for extra padding. A key to using lesson shoes is selecting footwear designed for natural comfort. Seek out shoes that fit well from the start, minimizing the need for extra inserts or padding. Look for features like a wide toe box, allowing your toes to splay naturally, and a minimal or zero heel drop which promotes better posture. Over time, this can strengthen your foot muscles, reducing reliance on external support and making your feet more resilient. Embracing a lesson shoes approach offers several compelling benefits. You'll likely experience greater foot sensitivity and a more direct connection with the ground, which can improve balance. Many find that reducing excessive cushioning actually lessens foot fatigue and discomfort. Over time, your foot muscles can strengthen, leading to healthier, more resilient feet. Plus, it simplifies your daily routine and reduces the amount of stuff you need for your footwear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.